we are at the French Quarter on Lake Conroe, and it's a windy day. It's a beautiful day. I'll show you a couple of the houses down here on the waterfront. But more importantly, check this guy out. He's having a good time. Is that Chad? Cool. One of our property owners, board members out here. Very fun. There's always something. Not just fishing, not just skiing, sailing. Now I guess this new thing is kite surfing. Sea-doos, wave runners, laying out, just catching the sun. I promise you there's a whole lot more to do on Lake Conroe than you think about. Live. You should come out and take a look at it. French Quarter on Lake Conroe.com is our website. 936-890-1111. New house that just got finished. Partners in building just finished this house. They're about to start a swimming pool in their backyard. The lake is coming back up. It's already come up 4 feet in the last couple of months. And I think it's going to be back to normal before the end of the year. Anyway, once again, interior home size, folks. Very loud. This wind is real loud today. I'm sure. Give us a call, 936-890-1111.